Time for another Dollar Tree food review. This time we're looking at freeze-dried apple slices. So natural. That's the trademark, so natural. Apple slices, freeze-dried, a delicious and nutritious way to snack. And that weight is 0.71 ounces.
Okay, nutrition facts. Serving size is one package. Calories is 134, and everything else is 0. Pretty quick, pretty simple.
It's also a product of China. Ingredients, apples. That's the shortest list of ingredients I have ever had with a Dollar Tree food. Apples, one ingredient. I like that. I got these for my chinchilla. He likes banana chips. They didn't have no banana chips while they're at the Dollar Tree, and I seen these, so I figured I'd give them a try. So guess what? We're gonna have a special guest taster after I try them. Let's go ahead and get the bag open. They're pretty big chips. Look at that. They kind of crumble apart when you break them. Go ahead, give it a little taste. Okay. These are god awful. It's like styrofoam. Literally, it's like chewing on a piece of styrofoam. I, hold on. Yeah, there's absolutely no taste, none. So forget about the guest appearance. Yeah, I'm not even gonna give these to Dirk. I'm just gonna end up throwing these away. So do yourself, don't buy these. It's oh my, yeah. Um, I rather chew on a rice cake. It has more flavor than this. Okay, as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe.